Today I'm going to show you exactly how to embed actual, interactive tweets into your WordPress blog posts. By the end of this video, you'll be able to feature real tweets on your site, complete with live data links and media, making your content both more engaging and up-to-date. Whether you want to reference a breaking news thread, showcase a glowing testimonial, or just add some social proof, this method is quick, reliable, and totally beginner-friendly. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about what makes embedding tweets so seamless in WordPress. Thanks to a built-in feature called Embed, WordPress can automatically transform a simple tweet link into a beautifully formatted, interactive tweet block. No need for messy code, plugins, or jumping between multiple tools. So the first thing you'll need is the tweet's URL. Head over to X, formerly known as Twitter, find the tweet you want to showcase. Let's say you've spotted an industry expert sharing an insight that perfectly aligns with your article. To grab the URL, click that little share icon. It usually looks like an upward arrow down near the bottom of the tweet. When you click it, you'll get a list of options. Choose Copy Link to Tweet. You'll notice a quick notification telling you the link has been copied to your clipboard. Super easy. Now, if for any reason you can't find that option or you prefer another way, here's an alternative. Just click on the tweet's timestamp. That's the date or time displayed just under the tweet, right near the username. This will open the tweet on its own page. Then all you need to do is copy the URL from your browser's address bar at the top. So either way, you've got your tweet link ready to go. Next, open up your WordPress dashboard and head to the post or page where you want to insert your tweet. If you're using the block editor Gutenberg, you'll see a little plus sign, which is the Add Block button, usually at the top left, or it pops up when you hover in the content area. Click that and in the search field type in Twitter. You'll see the dedicated Twitter block pop right up in the results. Go ahead and drag or click to add this block wherever you want your embedded tweet to appear. It's a good idea to place it somewhere logical within your content, like just after the point you want to support with the tweet, or at the end of a section for maximum impact. Now paste your copied tweet URL into the field in the Twitter block and simply click the Embed button. There's a tiny moment where WordPress works its magic. And then voila, your tweet appears fully interactive right in your post. Users can retweet, like, or even click through to reply, all without you needing to lift a finger on the code side. Here's a handy shortcut. If you just paste the tweet URL directly onto a new line in the visual editor, it has to be on its own line. WordPress will automatically convert it into an embedded tweet for you. No block search required. Don't worry if it takes a second to process. Occasionally there's a slight delay, but it'll pop in just fine. Once you've placed your embed, always check the preview to make sure everything looks right. Sometimes a visual check will help you catch tiny layout issues before you publish for the world to see. And when you're happy with the layout and the tweet shows up as expected, go ahead and publish or update your post. And that's it, you've got a real tweet embedded in your WordPress post in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Leave any questions or experiences in the comments. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more practical WordPress and blogging tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.